Hello, Namaste and welcome back to your channel Mom Tech. For those who are new to my channel, I am Anita and welcome to Mom Tech. And for those who hasn't subscribed it yet, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Mom Tech for more such videos. We all have been doing the laundry on our day-to-day basis, and that is a mundane task for all of us now. But are you doing it correctly? To know more tips and tricks on laundry, follow my vlog through and get it done. So let's get started with the video.
So let's start with the basic. Don't let the dirty clothes create mess around, so use a proper laundry basket to store them. Add a small bag to the laundry basket to store those tiny little clothes such as socks, hankies, etc. To add this bag to your laundry basket, you can also use the clips to hang it around your laundry basket, or you can do it the way I am doing with my laundry basket. It is very easy and simple to install. Before putting the clothes in the washing machine, sort your clothes according to the fabric and the colors. Wash similar color clothes separately and dark color clothes separately to prevent any kind of discoloration. Important step is to prepare your clothes beforehand, such as unbuttoning your shirts, unfold your sleeves, and check the pockets if they have something, etc. You can use these kind of mesh bags to wash your small and tiny clothes separately so they do not get entangled with other clothes. Make sure not to fill this mesh bag in excess. Don't overload washing machine. Make sure to leave one hand head space in washing machine for proper rotation of the clothes, and make sure they are not tucked up. Another important step is to use the correct detergent according to your washing machine, or also if you are washing clothes with your hand, use the suitable detergent, because top load machines require more water to wash their clothes, so they require foamy detergent. And on the other hand, the front loading machine use a less foaming formula detergent. So choose it correctly. Also make sure not to use too much of detergent, as it can stain your clothes and cast white spots on them. So yes, check the quantity according to your clothes. Wash your less to normal dirty clothes in cold water or lukewarm water, but avoid hot water, as it can affect the quality of clothes and fabrics. Use hot water only in the case of heavily soiled or dirty clothes or greasy clothes. You can see it is very convenient to take out these tiny clothes after washing in this mesh bag. So give it a try and do let me know. Another tip about washing machine is that leave your washing machine door open for a while. It will avoid the damp areas in your tub. Give a violent shake or jerk to your clothes in order to decrease the creases in the clothes. Now, here is a small tip for your clothes. If you are short of clips or something like that, what you can do for your shirts is, then you can use the buttons to secure it, and it can prevent them from falling. It's not comfortable to hang these small clothes on a wire, so use this small hanger with clips for tiny clothes. These hangers will make the process easy for hanging these little clothes. We always take care of our clothes and wash our clothes, but how many of you actually take care of your washing machine? Yes, your washing machine needs cleaning too. So try this simple hack with baking soda and white vinegar solution for tub cleaning, and it can do wonders to your washing machine. It will not only remove any kind of buildups in the tub but also remove any sort of damp odor that could be there after washing cycles. To keep your washing machine in a clean and a tidy position, at least once a month you should clean the tub and other washing components of the washing machine to keep it safe and durable for a longer period of time. Do tell me, how do you take care of your washing machine in the comment section. Clean the walls for any kind of dirt and impurity buildups inside the washing machine. Taking care of your washing machine will increase its life for sure. Another issue that we all face is the hard fabric that sometimes new clothes have. So, to soften them up, you can use this hack of vinegar that can make your new clothes soft. Add half cup of vinegar and a pinch of salt for its discoloration prevention. We all have clothes of different fabric blends. So what can you do is check the labels for its care and instructions of the particular fabric, and it will help you to take care of the clothes and wash them accordingly. Such as if a cloth is need to be dry clean, then do not wash it at home, and it can make the fabric shrink or cramp a little. To prevent the color fading, you should never let your clothes sit in the direct sunlight for too long. Also, store your clothes clips in a box or something, but never let it hang on the wires itself. It can lead to wear and tear, reducing the life expectancy. Giving a quick shake to the clothes while taking them off will help you to remove any kind of dust that it can be there. The last step in a laundry is always the folding of clothes, but in the daily house activities, we all have a certain kind of things that we don't like doing. Mine is folding of clothes. I really don't like it. So, or watch songs or listen to songs while doing it to make it interesting. Tell me in the comment section box, guys, which is a task that you don't like, and how did you make it interesting while doing it. I segregate the clothes that are to be ironed on one side and others by folding them organized at their respective places. So I hope you will like the video, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel Mom Tech for more such videos, and click that bell icon for the notifications. Bye guys, take care.